Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is candied floss egg called
拔丝黄菜
or
挂浆鸡蛋
which is a sweet dish. In my childhood memories, the last dish on the wedding feast table was sweet dish. It can be candied floss sweet potatoes, candied floss apples, candied floss eggs, etc. Of course it is most popular with children. Let's get started. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl and beaten thoroughly. Prepare a non-stick pan, heat over low heat, add a tablespoon of oil. Pour the egg liquid evenly, don't pour it all in, leave some egg liquid in the bowl. Wait for the egg liquid to solidify. Do not turn the egg pancake before it is cooked. This will destroy the shape. We need a complete egg pancake. When the egg pancake is set, turn it over, then turn off the heat. Put it on the cutting board. Cut into diamond-shaped pieces with a knife. Put the egg pieces into the remaining egg liquid, let the eggs be coated with the egg liquid. Heat a cup of oil to 150 degrees. Add the eggs pieces, deep fry until they swell, then take them out. Prepare 60 grams of sugar and 150 milliliters water. Add to a wok. Heat the sugar water to a boil until the water has almost evaporated. Use a spatula to keep stirring the syrup. When the syrup becomes thicker and almost turns yellow, quickly pour in the fried eggs. Stir to coat each piece of egg with syrup. Transfer to a plate. At this time, if you pick up the eggs with chopsticks, you will see silky sugar. This proves successful. I would like to say that the success of this dish is also a criterion for testing the level of the chef. Delicious candied floss egg is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.